In this beginner's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Gusto to pay employees in 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how payroll works, what to set up, and how to run payday without stress. I'm Erin from StartupWise, and let's make payroll simple. Before we start, I'm not your accountant or lawyer. I'm just walking you through how the tool works. Taxes vary by state, so always double check with a professional. If you want to follow along, use the link down below, startupwise.com/gusto. That's an affiliate link, which means I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making free tutorials like this. What Gusto is. Think of Gusto as payroll on autopilot. You tell it who your employees are, how much they are paid, and when payday happens. Gusto takes it from there, it calculates the paycheck, withholds the right taxes, sends direct deposits, and even files payroll taxes for you automatically on certain plans. Instead of spreadsheets or manual math, everything is handled inside of one dashboard. Payroll mistakes can get expensive fast. The IRS says about a third of small businesses pay a fine each year for payroll tax errors. Most of the time, it's just because something was late or entered wrong. Using a tool like Gusto cuts that risk way down because every tax end deadline is tracked for you. Another thing beginners love about Gusto is how clear it looks on screen. Instead of pages of confusing forms, you just see boxes to fill in like name, pay rate, or start date. It feels simple, like filling out a basic online form, not running payroll. What you need ready. Before setting up, make sure you have a few things: your company information, the name, address, NEIN, your bank account details so Gusto can send payroll and taxes, employee information, their name, email, address, pay type, whether they're hourly or salary, and their tax forms like W-4. Your payday schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, twice a month, or monthly. If you're paying contractors, you'll also need their names, emails, and rates. Why do you need all of this? Think of payroll like baking a cake. You can't start without your ingredients. Your EIN is like your business's ID card. Your bank information is the wallet Gusto pulls money from. And the W-4 forms, they tell the government how much to take out in taxes. If you don't have these already, you'll get stuck halfway through setup. Even if you only have 1 or 2 people today, set things up like you'll have 10. Gusto lets you put different groups on different pay schedules, like hourly versus salary, so you don't need to rebuild later. And it connects to QuickBooks and Xero, which means your payroll information goes straight into your books automatically. Setting up Gusto. Here's the flow you'll go through once you log into Gusto. Number 1, create your account and enter your company basics. Number 2, connect your bank account so funds can be pulled for payroll. Number 3, add your work location. If employees are in multiple states, enter each one. Number 4, choose how often you'll run payroll. Number 5, add employees. Mark them as hourly or salary, enter their pay rates, and invite them to self-onboard so they can add their tax forms and direct deposit information. Step 6, preview your first payroll. Gusto shows you gross pay, taxes, and net pay before you approve. Before you hit approve, double check the basics. Make sure each person filled out a W-4 for taxes and an I-9 to prove work eligibility. If your team is in more than one state, be sure those state tax accounts are set up. Gusto will guide you, but having the information ready saves you time. Running your first payroll. Go into Run Payroll, select the pay period, enter hours for hourly employees. Salaried employees are automatic. Add extras like bonuses or reimbursements. Review the preview screen to confirm taxes and take-home pay are correct. Approve the run. Why is this better than doing payroll by hand? Let's say you've got 3 employees, all with different hours and pay rates. Doing that math by hand could take hours and mistakes are easy. With Gusto, you just type in the numbers and it calculates everything in seconds, like using a calculator instead of counting your own fingers. And the best part, after the first run, Gusto remembers everything. Next payday, it's basically just confirming hours or adding a bonus. What took 30 minutes the first time might take just 5 minutes every payday after that. You can also pay 1099 contractors contractors in Gusto, the process looks the same, but taxes aren't withheld. At year end, Gusto generates and delivers 1099 forms for you. Quick tip, only treat someone as a contractor if you don't control when or how they work. If you set their schedule or give daily instructions, they might need to be an employee instead. Gusto helps with both, so you can switch later if needed. Common pitfalls for beginners. Picking a schedule you cannot stick to. Choose bi-weekly or monthly so it's easy to manage. Forgetting to connect your bank in advance. It needs time to verify before pay. Leaving out state tax details if you have employees in different states. Forgetting to add reimbursements like mileage or expenses, otherwise your employees eats the cost. Avoiding these mistakes early makes your payroll smooth. Pricing walkthrough. Quick heads up before we dive into pricing. If you're already thinking Gusto might work for your business, you can follow along using the link down below, startupwise.com/Gusto. It's my affiliate link, which means you get any current promotions and it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Alright, now let's quickly go over Gusto's pricing. Anywhere from payroll benefits and HR all in one place. There is the simple plan, the plus plan, and the premium plan. All right now, you could get 3 months for free, which is a steal if you're kind of testing out which plan is best for you. So with the simple plan, it's for small businesses needing single state payroll reports and basic support. Again, it's originally $49 a month and $6 per person. And the top features are full service, single state, so not multiple states, unlimited runs and automated tax filings, and an employee portal for pay stubs and self-service. Now the best value is the plus. It's for businesses needing more advanced payroll benefits, HR, and time and attendance tracking, which is crucial if you need to make sure you're paying your employees correctly. Originally $80 a month with $12 per person, now $0 a month. You get multi-state payroll, which is great if you have several employees in different states, with next day pay, time tracking, and pay time off management, hiring and onboarding tools. You also get health insurance administration and broker integration. Then there's the premium plan for scaling businesses needing full service for payroll, benefits, and HR. Normally $180 with $22 additional per person. You would get everything in plus and simple, plus a dedicated service advisor, access to certified HR experts, management tools, advanced analytics, and priority support. So really for more support if that is what you're seeking. There's also the contractor only for businesses who haven't hired W-2 employees yet. Originally it's $35 with $6 per person, but right now again it is $0 per month. Now let's get into our Q&A, common beginner questions about Gusto. Question, do I need an accountant to use Gusto? Answer is no. Gusto is designed so small business owners can run payroll themselves. It handles the calculations, taxes, and filings automatically. That said, it's always smart to have a professional on call for bigger questions like benefits or complex tax rules. Question, how fast do employees get paid? Answer, with most plans, direct deposit happens in 2 business days. If you upgrade to certain plans, you can even unlock next day or same day direct deposit, which is super helpful if you ever forget to run payroll until the last minute. Question, can I switch from another payroll system to Gusto? Answer is yes, and it's easier than most people think. Gusto lets you import past pay history, so you don't have to retype everything. You just need your last few pay stubs or records, and their setup team walks you through it. Question, is it only for employees or can I use it for contractors too? Answer, you can do both. For employees, Gusto withholds taxes. For contractors, it just pays them out, and at the end of the year, Gusto automatically generates 1099s. That's how you use Gusto to pay employees in 2025. Start by setting up your company and employees, run your first payroll, and let Gusto handle the heavy lifting with taxes and compliance. If you want to check the latest pricing or start setting up payroll, use the link startupwise.com/Gusto. I'm Erin from StartupWise. Thanks for watching. And if this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what part of payroll still feels confusing. I'll cover it in a future video.